Alright, welcome back. So in this video we're using Scratch, and we're going to use a really common coding tool in Scratch where we're going to test a number to see if it's an even number or not. You could do this for odd numbers as well, but in this case we're just going to use an even, and we're going to use an actual coding thing called mod, where we're finding the mod of a number. And so let me kind of put this together for you, and then we'll talk about how this works. So we're going to go ahead and click the space bar. We're going to go ahead and ask a question. And this I'm going to structure a little bit differently than I have in the past. And then it just says, give me a number. All right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go down here to control, and we're going to plug in an if else. Because what we want to do is check this, and if it is an even number, then we're going to say that. So let's go ahead and put the looks in here, and we'll do say, and we'll go ahead and we'll say that this is an even number if this if works. And then we're going to drag another one, and we're going to say this not an even number. Oops. All right. But the real part of this is right here. So if we go to operators, we have an operator called mod. Now, if you've never done, oops. Wait a minute, that's not gonna work in there. Gotta use equal to. There we go. So now what we're gonna do is plug the mod in here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna say, if you take any number and you look for the modulus of that number, in coding what happens is when we normally divide numbers, it's really looking for the integer version. It's looking for the whole number. But if we use mod, what mod is it's looking for just the remainder. So if we took this number, and I'll go ahead and go to sensing here a second, and we'll plug in our answer. So let's go ahead and plug this in over here. If this answer from this question and any number, if we divide it by 2, it's going to give us, the whole number. But if we take mod, it only looks at the remainder. So think of any even number. If we divide it by 2, well, there's going to be a remainder of 0. So that could be 2 for 100, 102, 205, 204. Any even number, if we divide it by 2, there will never be a remainder. So we can use mod for this purpose. We can say that this answer, if we mod 2, if we divide it by 2 and we only look at the remainder, if there's a 0 remainder, meaning no remainder, then we know that that's going to be an even number. Okay, so this is kind of what mod is used for a lot of times, is to find the even number. You can use it to find a number of different things. You can use it to find whether it's divisible by a certain number like 3 or 5 or 7 or whatever. But you can also use it to find out whether it's an even or an odd number. Okay, and we can actually switch this too. If we said that there was a remainder of 1, then we could say that that's going to be an odd number. But in this case, we're looking for the even, so we're going to go ahead and leave it this way. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and hit spacebar. All right, sorry, that was from a previous one there. So give me a number. We'll go ahead and we'll do 16. And this is an even number. Let's try that again. Let's try 9. Not an even number. Okay, so this is kind of how you can, check to see whether you have an even number. You can also use this for divisible, which I'll save that for another video. But if you wanted to see if that number was divisible by 3, well, then we know that if there's no remainder, that it is divisible by 3 or 5 or 7 or 6 or whatever number you want to use. You can use that as if that number is divisible by that number. But in this case, we're just looking for an even number, and that's how we can do this. We can also use this for finding if an odd number. If we just had a remainder of 1, well, then we know that if it has a remainder of 1, it's going to be an odd number. Okay. All right, so anyways, back to basically the start of this. We're just looking for the the even number, you can use the modular division right here, and that's how you find out whether you have an even number or not. All right, hopefully that helps you with your coding, and good luck.